How to change currency in Shopify Store. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up your Shopify admin and then click on the three lines at the top left of the screen. Then click on settings at the bottom left of the screen. Once you're here, click on store details and scroll down to store currency, from which you can use the drop down to choose any currency that you want. Say for example, I want to choose the I don't know, any currency. Say for example the euro. I will click on it, and once you do that, click on the save button at the top right of the screen to save the changes. But keep in mind that this is the store currency, which means that it's the currency that your products are sold in and not the currency of payments or checkout currency. So I hope you keep that in mind. You can also change that the checkout currency, but that's topic for another video. So that was it for this video. That's how you can change your store currency in Shopify. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.